guys, good morning. We are now here at the Lat Clay Tunnel. We'll be exploring this place. I do know there's a lot of sculptures that's available here. So let's see what's in store and have another adventure. I'll see you when we go inside. So we're now entering the facility and the ticket is actually 120 for adults. So since for the two of us, it's going to be 240,000. So as you can see, these are all made of clay. It is very nice, to be honest with you. A lot of Instagrammable places that we can go to. Now we'll explore it further. There's specific areas that we really want to take photos of. So perhaps go ahead and look at that first. And then we'll put in more videos of certain sections of the Lat Clay Tunnel. All right, let me just go down here before I get the camera over. Now perhaps we're going to explore and I'll see you in a bit. So back into the video. So after walking through quite a steep walk in terms of the first part of the tunnel, you can see that this is the first open field shot, which is the two cupids. There is a wall that you can actually climb, though I do know you would need to pay extra for it. Sorry if I'm a bit out of breath. It's kind of an up and down tours here. And then this is also quite an iconic shot with the two swans. And then this is another one. So if you're very much into photography, this place is really good. Plus it's open air and the cool breeze of the Lat. You'd be able to experience and, you know, have fun and have relaxing morning. So that is that. Now this is the place that I do think that majority of the people will go to, which is the one with the two face. This is the one that I would want to have a shot of. So there is a line there, just to let you guys know, we are already quite early. But yeah, I do think there were a couple of tour buses that was here. Sorry. So I have to go up through here and then go down on that other side for you to be able to go there. So just be careful because the terrain is fairly different. And some people would actually sit on the stairs. So this is one of the iconic shots that we are on cue for. So perhaps I'll cut this one out for a few moments and perhaps we'll take a turn to have our photo taken. And then we'll continue on when you go to another section. So back now to the video. We're still in queue to have those photos taken. Apparently there's a couple of tour buses that came in, so there's actually a couple of group tourists that went here as early as ours. So I'll just give you a very quick walkthrough of the other places here in the Lat Clay Tunnel for you guys to see. So there's also like a sculpture of a tree. And you do know here in the Lat, it is the flower festival. So I do think that's the reason why there's a theme of, you know, having those images of two people dancing, but all covered in flowers. So once you're here, there's also coffee shops available in between each section. So if ever you are quite thirsty or you haven't had your morning coffee, this would be a good opportunity for you to go ahead and do so. Now, it's fairly huge store. I don't know all the other areas, so I'll just be mindful that I have to go back to the exact same place I came in. So this other place, you can do archery on here as another activity for the kids. It's that, and I do know there might be a restroom way on top. So it's not really a very huge place, but if you can spend, a couple of hours here, just wait off, the rest of the people that are taking photos, you'll be able to get decent ones. I would want to look around to the hats over here because it is quite keen, and I'm quite keen to know how much those hats are. But pretty much the number one place you have to go to is the one with the two face, the swans, the two cupids, and then there's also the entrance wherein it's like you're walking on a tunnel with a lot of sculptures, different kinds. Those are the ones, and plus this old tree, this father tree. It does look good, to be honest with you. So pretty much that is it here at the Dalat Clay Tunnel. Yeah, I'm eager to take a photo on this area. It really does look like an elder tree. And then perhaps I'll just go ahead and grab some coffee and then make sure that the tourists dies down, because I think it's a field trip. There are a couple of kids with uniforms on them. So have a cup of coffee and then take more photos, and then I'll share it with you within this video. See ya! Hi guys! So now this is just a wrap up of our trip here in Clay Tunnel in Dalat. We've already have a lot of photos, a couple of video snippets. I'll just make sure that it's on this video, so you'll be able to see a lot of Instagrammable places, and then plus of course a bit of coffee shops as well, and a couple of snacks. So I'll just see you in the next video. Bye!